Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a local updates for LayerZero with my customer cassette. Let's dive in. Alright, guys, initiation accumulation pump model still in play. Perfect play. So after the new all-time high of LayerZero in December 24, everybody's screaming we never drop on the $2, but we landed perfectly to this test. So let me show you this one. It was no, let me show you this one. So here it was a perfect test, 2 times the best zone to buy, $1.52, and we formed the echo lows. I don't think so we're gonna drop and sweep that lows in October, because October and November should be by seasonality green one. So congrats everybody who buying here. With the retest, buy more. Now we see the good metrics with the LayerZero, Stargate, bridging, Plasm. I think a lot of bullish news will be around the crypto this autumn. But guys, build a plan for each token what you would like to buy now. So the zone of accumulation was here, $1.52, $1.92, $2.21. Targets to fix the swing trade. So if approximately you buy in here, for example, one limit order, second one, and the third one, for example, your entry can be like $1.74. The not a mistake will be to fix your initial deposit at $3.87, $4.08. So this is a zone which we track since the listing of this token on the Binance, June 24. So over the year, we track one single model, guys. So this model is still relevant. Invalidation of this model if the token dump and sweep the listing price. In this case, these zones like support become the zone of resistance. Now it's support, and this is a fixation. This is a monthly gap where we definitely will come back and close. So you know this is a consolidation, bounce. Worst case scenario if we'll see something like this one. Wasted time. But anyway, we can't predict the timing. We can work only with the zones of interest. So I believe the LayerZero will go to new all-time high. How high? Hard to say, guys. Let's work now with this zone of accumulation, and the fix profit step by step. No makes sense to believe in all of these random numbers, you know, and trying to predict the top of the top for this token. It's just a fresh new token. So when we'll sweep this high, it will be just an open space. We can't know where the token will top it. That's why logically, guys, now if you believe, of course, in LayerZero, you can accumulate even now. We're not so far from the first zone of interest. So if you want to take a risk now, for example, you buy now $2.32. If the price not drop, you happy and ride to the new all-time high, for example, or the zone of fixation swing trades. If we drop it back again to sweep the echo lows, you buying again in the zone of interest. So you buying, for example, like $1.46. Your average entry will be anyway $1.70, $1.80. If you believe in LayerZero, you know. That's why we're not so far from the okay zone to buy. So this zone relevant, this zone relevant. Invalidation, you know. This is zone of fixation profit. This is a monthly gap. Where we can definitely come back and close. To talk about a structure, to break the structure, you know, we need to anyway sweep this high. So this is a K level, 362, impulse, sideways, and should be the impulse to the 387, 408, and close the monthly gap. This one, because usually we close the 50%. So if we close this VIP and count like 50% of this downtrend, so this impulse down 0.5 level by VIP, it's exactly around the fulfill 452 of this downtrend move. December 24, support March 25. So if the model is valid and will not drop and not invalidate the listing price in this model, next step is a zone of fixation, monthly gap, 0.5 level by VIP of this downtrend move. And after that, we can go to just in theory, you know, guys, it's just in theory. If it was a real bottom for the LayerZero, 1132, 1740, 2349. I don't think so. We're gonna reach these targets. Maybe, but let's work just with current one. Now Let's check, guys, with my customer app what's going on with the whale's position now. So this is accumulation on the weekly time frame on ADZ. Good one. Looks like a double bottom on the weekly. Good one. So it's a bullish. I highly recommend you guys, by the way, check even the first one video about the LayerZero. You will understand why we landed here. Highly recommend you also check the first free educational video, how to work with the ATH accumulation pump model. Also will be useful. So this is not a time to out of the tokens. Also by seasonality, this is a we're not at the top of the top for altcoins. BTC dominance around 59%. So would be good to see the BTC dominance even to 60% again, even maybe 61, and after that drop it down. So by timing, maybe we will see the Santa rally for the altcoins, or the top of the top for alts will be, in this case, in spring 2026. So this is not a top of the top for LayerZero. So not a time to out of the token, definitely. We just on the middle line on the weekly. Daily accumulation. Weekly, I mean. Daily, this is like a little bit over the middle line. So locally, yes, till end of the month, we can consolidate longer, in this range. So just be careful with the futures, because if you want to open a futures trade, you need to add a stop loss. I don't know, under here it's too much. It's 23%. With second leverage around 50% stop loss, it's not that good trade. That's why now even on the daily, this is not a time to sell. But just be ready for the boring chop months. What's some news here? PayPal stablecoin expands to the Tron, Avalanche, Say, and other blockchain with LayerZero. Nice one, bullish one. Stargate Finance, Zero Acres, STG. Old news from August. All right. So direction, no signals to sell yet. Nice one. So it's bullish, guys. All targets relevant, market mode. Local one like a trail, but this is not a free. This is what I'm looking for. This is a disbelief. So here, hype gone in May 2025. Everybody in total disbelief about it as LayerZero, and we crash it down to capitulation gray zone. This one bounce it now in disbelief. Just add alert and wait there. Once again, the hype market mood here, for example, like a free zone again, and wait. This is going to be the time to out of the token. Now it's still accumulation zone. Trade on, guys. Take a look. No signals to buy. Daily, the last one and only was here. Buy, bounce, sell. Take profit from sell, buy again. Now, no signals to sell, no signals to buy. So this signal to buy relevant since June 2025. 12 time frame, buy, sell, buybacks. 4 time frame, here was a local. If you trade just the intraday, here was a buy, take profit, sell. Intraday, of course, is just like with a stop losses futures trade. So here, for example, with second leverage, like let's say here, 8% against 40%. Stop loss like 8% with second leverage, 40% with second leverage profit with the futures trades. Here was a fixation at 0.5 level by FIB, everything still in play. Locally, yes, some people can say, oh, we break the structure. No, guys, even the locally on the 4 time frame, the structure is $2.59. So I repeat again, it can be the boring chop months if we will see that just break this local 4 time frame structure. We can come back anyway to this block again. That's why everything depends on BTC dominance now. Global targets, guys. If you feel okay to accumulate at $2.33, you can accumulate even now. Money power, guys. What we can see by accumulation with the money in 12 time frame. Here was a RSI buried awareness, now nothing. Daily time frame, money outflow. So yes, some whales fix a profit. It kind of looks strange and looks dangerous. Last time when we saw that money fixation, it was here, September 12. This one at $2.05. We landed back to the $1.84. So just be careful. Guys. Today is Friday. So I think that correction can be once again if the BTC dominance go higher. Not even the BTC. I think BTC dominance can go higher, and the LayerZero can drop it back again in this range, $2.21, $1.92. Weekly time frame, no money outflow. Nice one. So maybe on a daily, just a fixation of a small fish. So no fixation of the money outflow. So last time, here, money outflow. This is how the sales looks like. Now, nothing. Monthly time frame. I guess there is no data. All right. Let me show you this one, the take profit, guys, indicator, the last one here. Weekly, no data. Daily. Buy line for daily time frame. Now it's $1.33, 32. I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low. Looks like we go straight forward to the test of the take profit line, $2.65. Exit line $2.99. So this is more likely what we can see in the next days. We just closed to the test of take profit line $2.65, yes, and exit line it's $2.99. So more likely, guys, I think we will see something like this one and come back it again into the range, consolidation, and go higher. So this is what I'm looking for middle of October, this one. And after that, we should see some positive in the market, maybe some news from the United States, cut rates again in October. So I think everything will be bullish for alts. If we will see the drop, guys, zones of interest absolutely still the same. Zone of fixation still the same. I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about the LayerZero. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.